Dear participants, welcome to week 2. I remain your facilitator, Bayo Akintayo. The topic for this week's lesson is conceptual definition of accounting and some basic principles. In this lesson, we will define accounting. We will examine some accounting principles and concepts and examine some accounting terms. Is accounting. Accounting is the language of business, efficiently communicated by well-organized and honest professionals called accountants. A more academic definition of accounting is given by the American Accounting Association, which defines accounting as the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by users of the information. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants define accounting as the act of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and event which are in part at least of financial character and interpret the results thereof. Accounting not only records financial transactions and conveys the financial position of a business enterprise, it also analyzes and reports the information in documents called financial statements. Recording every financial transaction is important to a business organization and its creditors and investors. Accounting uses a formalized and regular system that follows standardized principles and procedures. The job of accounting is done by professionals who have educational degree acquired after years of study. While a small business may have an accountant or a bookkeeper to record money transaction, a large corporation has an accounts department which supply information to managers who guide the company, to investors who want to know how the business is doing, and to analysis and brokerage firm dealing with the company stock, and the government which decide how much tax should be collected from the company. Dear participant, you can stop taking the lesson anytime and do other things. When you are back, you should continue from where you stopped. Accounting principle. Accounting principle based on certain concepts, convention, and tradition have been involved by accounting authority and regulators and are followed internationally. This principle, which serve as the rules for accounting for financial transactions and preparing financial statements, are known as the generally accepted accounting principle or GAAP. The application of this principle by accountants ensure that financial statements are both informative and reliable. Remember, we look at this principle in the last lesson. Let's go through them again. First, the business entity concept means that a business and its owner should be treated separately as far as their financial transactions are concerned. Money measurement concept, which states that only business transactions that can be expressed in terms of money are recorded in accounting, though records of other types of transactions may be kept separately. We also have the dual aspect concept, going concern concept, cost concept, and many others. Dear participants, let us look at some accounting terms. This slide they are listed on this slide. They also include balance sheet, which is a financial report that provide a gist of a company's assets and liabilities and owners' equity at a given time. A credit is an accounting entry that either increases a liability or equity account or decreases an asset or expenses account, it is entered on the right in an accounting entry, while a debit is an accounting entry that either increases an asset or expenses account or decreases a liability or equity account. It entered on the left in an accounting entry. A financial statement is a document that reveals the financial transaction of a business or a person. The three most important financial statements for businesses are the balance sheet, cash flow statement, and profit and loss statement. Dear participant, in this lesson, we learned some accounting definition, just like we did in lesson 1. We also examined some accounting concepts and some accounting principles. I'm sure you will go back to the lesson note again and again. Wow, this has been an exciting lesson for me. I hope for you too. In the next lesson, we shall examine how to prepare financial statement. Thank you and goodbye.